Did you know that all 37.2 trillion cells in your body rely on one molecule? It's called NAD, and it ensures our cells function optimally. Unfortunately, as we age, our NAD levels naturally decline, affecting cellular processes and accelerating aging. But what if you could support your cells to maintain their youthful vitality? Introducing THIMBI and AD Plus Complex. Its synergistic blend combines a direct bioavailable form of NAD with urolithin A, resveratrol, and other powerful antioxidants, creating a formula that combats aging from every angle. Replenishing your NAD levels boosts energy, enhances clarity, supports DNA repair, and promotes cellular rejuvenation, collectively slowing the signs of aging. Embrace the science of wellness and rediscover your vitality with THIMBI and AD Plus Complex. After all, you're as young as you feel, and age is just a number.